Tom and the cat. Tom will be a little boy. He will have a small brown cat. The cat's name will be Kit. Tom will want to play. He will say, "Wake up, Kit." Kit will open one eye. Then Kit will close the eye. Tom will get a red ball. He will put the ball near Kit. Kit will see the ball. Kit will lock the ball. Kit will wake up. Kit will play with the ball. Tom will laugh and will clap. Kit will run fast. Tom will run too. They will be happy. Tom will say, "Good cat, Kit." Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. Will Tom be a little boy or a big boy? Tom will be a little boy. What color will the cat be? The cat will be brown. What will the cat's name be? The cat's name will be Kit. What will Tom want to do? Tom will want to play. What color will the ball be? The ball will be red. Will Kit like the ball? Yes, Kit will like the ball. What will Tom do when he is happy? Tom will laugh and clap. Will Tom say, "Good cat, Kit," or "Go away, Kit"? Tom will say, "Good cat, Kit." Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.